Hello everyone and welcome to Getyn CRM. In this video, I'll walk you through the dashboard that is the first page you'll see after logging into your CRM. And think of this dashboard as your business command center. So instead of switching between multiple pages, you get a complete overview of your sales, your leads, activities, and performance all from one screen. Without any further delay, let's dive in and explore each section. At the very top, you could see the sales dashboard. Since most of the activities are related to the sales process, that is why it is being called the sales dashboard. And it is designed to give you an instant snapshot of everything happening in your sales process. So whether you are a sales agent, a manager, or a business owner, this would help you understand the current state of your business. Beside that, in the top right corner, we have a Take a Tour button. So for the users who are logging in for the first time, it is preferred to go through this tour once. Let me show you how it's done. Click on the button. The system would automatically take you through an overview of the important sections of the CRM, uh, the sales dashboard, the finish header. So these are a few things which I'll be covering in this video. So quick action buttons. Then we have the workspace, CRM core modules. So all these things I'll be covering in the coming videos as CRM is a very vast application. Sales pipeline is here. Then we have the communication channel. So Getyn CRM integrates with a number of channels. You could integrate your email, your WhatsApp, your Telegram, and much more things. Then we have the project delivery. We have the finance and billing, portal settings and help. Uh, sorry, let me click on it again. Next, 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 next. So once you click on any place other than next, this tour would stop immediately. So if I click, then it takes you to the global search. So this is a very important feature. Instead of going into the multiple modules and searching for the data, you could search for any lead, any deals, anything from this section only. Then we have this Ask AI feature. I would be covering this feature in this video only. Then we have this global create button. So you could create any data of any module from here. Then we have the notifications. So if your channels are integrated and there is any update, you would be able to see all those updates in the notification channel, in this notification button. Then we have your account. So at the last, it comes up to your account. So after that, we have this finish setting up your CRM. So what you just saw in the tour, you are required to perform few actions in this section. So if I resume it, you would be able to see few activities which are done and few activities are pending. So this gives you a actual practical way of the actual practical overview of how the CRM works and how you do the actual task in the CRM. So it is also preferred, like if anyone is using the CRM for the first time, it's preferred to go through these two things. That would give you an exact overview of how the CRM works. So up next, we have the smartest feature of the Getyn CRM, which is the Getyn CRM Coach. This is AI-powered assistant and provides you useful recommendation based on your CRM activity. So what I just mentioned, Ask AI. So this is the Ask AI feature. If I click on it, it would like an auto-generated prompt is given to the CRM, and according to this, it would provide you the summary. We have two modes here. First is the help mode, then we have the agent mode. You could even ask this AI to perform some actions. So if I click here like create a lead, create a deal, this would be able to complete that task. So that's how this AI works here. And then we have this KPI cards. So this provides you the quick action that are required and related to the CRM. So first we have the pipeline value. So this represents the total value of all the activities, opportunities that are currently in your sales pipeline. Then we have this closing this month. So it, as the name suggests, it provides you the deals which are expected to close during this month. Then we have the new leads, the leads that are recently fed into the CRM. Then we have the activities log. So this card displays all the tasks scheduled for today, like including calls, meetings, follow-ups, or reminders. So it's simply a way to ensure that no important activity is missed. Then we have the one deal, as the name suggests, it's a quick indicator of your recent sales processes. And in the last, we have the conversion rate. So conversion rate is the measures how efficiently your leads are being converted into the CRM. So higher conversion rate generally indicates a stronger sales process. Up next, we have this quick action buttons. So you could create lead, create deal, create call log, schedule a meeting from the dashboard only. So instead of navigating through different modules, you can instantly perform the common actions that are need to be done like quickly. Then we have the pipeline overview. So this is the visual card, so shows exactly where your deals are in the sales journey. So as you could see, the most of the deals are in the lead section. Then we have multiple sections, multiple categories or stages like the qualified, proposal, and negotiations, won and lost. So this card makes it easy to identify which stage has the highest number of deals and where your sales opportunities are currently concentrated. Below that or like you could see the numbers as well. So lead one, qualified zero, proposal zero. So this is basically a demo account. That is why we have a very limited data or the demo data here. In the right of this, we have this closing this month. So this is also a card, like as you see, closing this month card. It shows the number of the deals that are going to be closed this month. It shows a few details of the deals, like the name, the value of the deal, which it is holding. So that is what it has. And next we have the My Task Activities. So this widget displays all the tasks assigned to you, whether it's a follow-up call, schedule a meeting, or a reminder. Everything appears here, and so you always know like what needs your attentions. Like currently, the task ongoing deal is assigned to me, having the high priority. Due date is July 9, status to do. So that is how it works, and it's a dynamic window. You could also go through the activities. Like it would take me to the activity module, and here you could see all the activities that are due. So this one is completed and this one is pending. So that's how the dashboard works. If I go back, and after that we see like the lead insight is here. So this section gives you a visual breakdown of your leads. The chart categorizes leads into different stages, making it easy to understand how your leads process are going through the sales funnel. So instead of reading numbers alone, a visual representation helps you quickly identify where most of your leads are and where additional attention may be required. So that is why it is given in this manner. Then we have the recent activity. So it acts as the CRM activity log. It records the important actions such as the newly created leads, newly added contacts, and updated records, all these things. So it is basically a log of the CRM. And then we have this my performance. So what my performance means is the performance of the account holder. So it basically summarizes the personal performance by displaying key matrices such as number of deal ones, revenue earned, task completed, and the conversion rate. So it's a quick way to monitor your own productivity and track your progress over time. Then we come up to the bottom of this dashboard, and here you could see the customer health. So customer are categorized based on their engagement level, helping you identify which accounts are healthy, which may require attention, and which could be at risk. So you must be getting confused. Let me show you how it's done. So if I click on the view accounts, it's loading, and here you could see two accounts and both are at risk. So if I click on the risk and if I click on the view background button, this would show me the score breakdown. So activity level 5 out of 25, and in the very bottom you could see no activity in the last 30 days. So as it is a demo account, this data is demo. So the risk basically represents the engagement with the customer. So if the engagement is very low, then it would appear as a risky customer. So that is how the uh, customer health works here. And with this brings us to the end of our dashboard walkthrough. And as you have seen, the Getyn CRM dashboard is designed to give you a complete view of your business in one place. So your sales pipeline, your lead insights, and daily activities are monitored, uh, are monitored in a good manner. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one where we explore other modules and other powerful information of the uh, powerful performance of the Getyn CRM.